Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Trust Wallet in Treasure Fun. First, open the Treasure Fun application on your device. Once inside, look for the Wallet Connection option, usually found in the Settings or Profile menu. Tap on it, and then choose Trust Wallet from the various options presented. This initiates the secure linking process between the two platforms. After selecting Trust Wallet, you will be redirected to your Trust Wallet application. Here, you must approve the connection request. Carefully review the permissions Treasure Fun is asking for to ensure they align with your expectations. Once satisfied, confirm the transaction. This step is crucial for establishing a secure and functional link between your Trust Wallet and the Treasure Fun platform. Once you have approved the connection, return to the Treasure Fun application. You should now see your Trust Wallet successfully linked. Verify that your wallet balance and any associated assets are accurately displayed within Treasure Fun. If you encounter any issues or the connection isn't immediately visible, consult the in-app support or frequently asked questions section for troubleshooting steps. Remember, securing your digital assets is paramount. Always keep your Trust Wallet recovery phrase in a safe, offline location and never share it with anyone. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and suspicious links that try to mimic legitimate platforms. Always double-check URLs before entering any sensitive information. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.